We're often asked about the patients who participate in our data bank. You know, clearly there's something in it for them, or why would anyone want to consent to their data being used, or this must be a small subset of patients that you approach. And our experience has been that I think it's over 90% consent rate, based on the patients you approach, um, to contribute their data. Most people want their experience, especially when they're going through cancer, to matter. And this is an easy way, not there's no additional blood required. There's no other intervention that we're asking them. It's really just let us learn from your journey. And most patients are happy to have that as part of the meaning of their journey. So I would say the concern that you often hear that this is another burden that we're placing on people and they would never want to do it is clearly not is not there. It's a bit of a manufactured. To your point, the meeting that I was at last week, I think there is very good progress in terms of a national REB system, where Research Ethics Board, for those of our listeners who may not be sort of up to speed on some of these acronyms, but the Research Ethics Board being a body that you can submit to gain access to data, to review the analysis or the experiment that is being conducted, to ensure that it is following good procedures and ensuring privacy and all of those good things. So the rather than going institution by institution or even province by province, having some sort of a national review process, I think would definitely accelerate the ability not only to conduct these studies, but to work in between different institutions. And again, getting to that question of can we hit scale with our research?
Or at least having the same guidelines. So if we have a national guidelines, um, that all the research ethical boards are following, it will make it much easier as well. And also many people, they are not aware that any type of AI based research goes through a detailed scrutiny in each hospital. So we do have put very strong system in place that the data is not misused. So every single study done on patient data goes through this research ethical board and investigated in detail both the methodology, its use, and the rationale, all the hypotheses, and so on. So it has to be a proper scientific question asked, and the methodology must be rigid, and so on, before it gets approved.